In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit in Vantage Market Broker. If you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to the Vantage Markets website. Once you're there, simply log in using your credentials. You'll want to make sure you have your login information handy so the process goes smoothly. After you've logged into your account, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see an option labeled Deposit. Go ahead and click on that button. It will take you to the deposit section where you can manage your funds. Now, it's time to enter the amount you'd like to deposit. This is an important step, so be certain to only input the amount you are comfortable with depositing into your Vantage Markets account. Once you've entered your desired amount, click Continue to proceed. You'll then need to select your preferred deposit method. Vantage offers a variety of options to accommodate users from different regions. Let's go through these options so you can choose what's best for you. First, you have the option of using a bank wire transfer. This is a traditional method and works great if you prefer direct transactions from your bank. Alternatively, you can choose to use credit or debit cards. Vantage accepts major cards like Visa and MasterCard, making this a quick go-to option for many users. For those more inclined towards digital solutions, e-wallets such as Skrill, Neteller, and FaucetPay are also supported. These can often offer faster processing times and a bit more convenience. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts will be pleased to know that Vantage supports payments using Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and other cryptocurrencies, although availability might vary, so it's worth checking beforehand. Lastly, there are local payment methods tailored for specific countries. This might include options like instant bank transfers that facilitate faster transactions. Once you've chosen your method, follow the on-screen instructions tailored to that particular payment option. Be sure to review all the entered details carefully. Once you've verified everything, click Confirm or Submit to finalize the transaction. Depending on your chosen deposit method, you might be redirected to a payment gateway like those for cards or e-wallets, or you might see specific bank details if you've opted for a wire transfer. Take note of any specific instructions provided during this step. After everything is processed, you'll need to wait for the funds to appear in your Vantage account. Instant methods will typically be just that, instant. You should see your funds almost immediately. However, if you've chosen a bank transfer, this might take a little longer, usually between 1 to 3 working days, depending on your bank. And there you have it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Vantage Market Broker account. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.